Hello friends, my name is Praveen Anchal and I welcome you all in our YouTube channel of Core Academy.
In this video, we will discuss about non-farming activities in village Palampur. So basically, the people of village Palampur are indulged in dairy, small scale manufacturing, shopkeeping and transport under these non-farming activities. So let's discuss first of all about the dairy. So here basically people are having buffalo or the cow, and from that they were getting milk, and this milk they were selling in nearby village, that is Raiganj, where they have a special collection come chilling centers, and further they were selling in different towns and cities. Now the second one, that is small scale manufacturing. So very less number of people are performing this small scale manufacturing activity in village Palampur. They are using either their home or their field. Most of the time their family members are only working in this small scale manufacturing activities, and very rarely they are hiring any outside labor. Now here one case study has been given of Mishilal, that you can see how he is producing sugar cane, and from sugar cane he is making sugar and jaggery. So that you can see in this case study. Now here the next very important non-farming activity is shopkeeping. You can see shopkeeping is everywhere, and it was also there in village Palampur. Basically the shopkeepers are purchasing the products from the wholesaler, and then they are selling to the customers at a good margin. Then the last one is transport activity. So here basically the people are transporting either goods or the people, and here all basic type of transportation transportation means are available. For example, rickshawalas, tangawalas, jeep, tractors and trucks. With that, some traditional means are also there, like bullock carts and bogies. These are also available in village Palampur. So here one case study has been given of Kishora, who has purchased some buffaloes by taking loan from the bank under the government scheme. Let me explain you this case study. So Kishora was a very poor person in village Palampur. He was running his life with full struggle. Then one day he has taken loan from the bank under the government program, and with that loan amount he has purchased some buffaloes. With that buffaloes he was getting milk, which he was selling in the nearby market, and later he has attached this buffalo with the bullock cart, and he was using this as a means of transportation. So you can understand, from buffalo he was getting milk, as well as he was using buffalo as a transportation thing also. So his income has been increased by very good margin, and he is now earning very good amount of money. So you can understand how these non-farming activities can bring positive changes in the life of people, not only in village Palampur but in everywhere. So friends, this is all about this chapter, the story of village Palampur. Now some additional things I just want to share with you. These are my personal opinion also, and some program which is run by the government of India, that also I just want to share with you. So as per my personal opinion, you see in this chapter that is about 75% of people are working in farming activities, and just 25% of people are working in non-farming activities. But if you want to change the picture of village in India, if you want to improve the condition of villagers in India, then you have to increase the percentage of the people who are working in these non-farming activities. Because a number of survey has been done in the past, which says that non-farming activities can give much better income and lifestyle to the farmers in India. So this is my personal opinion. You can also share your opinion, thoughts about the farmers of India and about the villages of India in the comment box. I will really appreciate your opinion and thought. And with that, I just want to share some other government programs. Like our government thinks that the villages are the soul of India, like Gandhiji said, the villages are soul of India. So we have to provide the facilities of cities to the people of villages, and for that purpose only they have started one program which is called as Rural Mission. So Rural is the combination of rural plus urban, means we have to provide the facilities of urban areas to the people of rural areas. That is called as rural mission, that you must know. And one more thing I just want to share with you that should be done by the government, that is we have smart cities. With the same concept, we should also go with the smart villages. What is your opinion about that? Please comment below and let me know. I am very excited for your opinion and your comments. So that's it in this chapter. So friend, if you like our video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself. Thank you.